So we have our diamond, right? Our diamond is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We're gonna add something onto our diamond, and this is what we call the sparkly diamond. So it's not a diamond in the rough. It's a polished diamond, okay? I'll break it down for you. So it's gonna start like your regular diamond. 1, 2, 3, okay? So you're gonna do your 1, 2, 3, and do it with me. 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna take another step with your left foot. 4, okay? So you're crossing over your left foot over your right foot, and you are shifting your weight to your left foot on the 4. Okay, so let's just get up to our 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, cross, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, cross, 3, 4. So make sure that your weight is all the way, everything is on your left leg on your 4, because you're gonna need your right leg on your 5, okay? Again, up to the 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from your 4, you're gonna take your right leg and you're going to actually try to pivot your body to face front as you pick up your right leg, and you're gonna give a little kick forward, pointing your toe. So 5. So because I'm so stagnant right now, you're not seeing my my shoe move, but when in motion, when you do it all together, just watch for a second. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see my left leg actually pivots so that my toes are directly facing ahead, and I'm kicking forward with that pointed toe, okay? So that's important. Anytime you're kicking with any of these things, you want a pointed toe, okay? Let's get up to our 5. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from our 5, we're just gonna take our right foot back and step 6, just like we normally would, back onto our basic. Okay, 6. So let's get up to 6. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're on the ball of our foot with our 6, just like we are with our basic. We're not putting our heel down, but we are transferring our weight to our 6, okay? From there, it's basically just the rest of the diamond. So the only thing that's new about the sparkly diamond is adding in that 4 and that 5, okay? So let's get up to our 6 again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're gonna take your left leg, do your big diagonal step out on 7, 7, and 1. Just the same as your regular diamond, okay? So it's actually, because you already have the diamond, that's your foundation. Now you've added a little bit, and it's not so hard because you already have the fundamental components, right? So let's do it all together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, now I just want to talk about body movement real quick. So when I'm doing this, in order to keep my balance and to keep everything tight, my core is tight, and I'm using my arms in opposition to the movement that I'm doing. So just watch. What I mean is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So you see through the sparkly part of the diamond, I was moving my arms to actually counterbalance. So if let's just do this over and over again. So when you're doing this is sort of like the motion of a Suzy Q. So you see, as this left leg steps over, the right hand comes toward it. And then as the right leg steps back, the left hand comes toward that. So we do this, it helps us keep our balance, and it makes us look way fancier than if I was keeping everything static, right? So we want to try to move that, and it should flow naturally. It shouldn't feel too unnatural, okay?